Hey garden lovers, want to save a lot of money on tomatoes? Stick around to learn a simple, effective method to grow your own juicy tomatoes at home. First, choose the right tomato variety. For beginners, I recommend cherry tomatoes or Roma tomatoes. They're easy to grow and produce a good yield. Tomatoes thrive in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Prepare your garden bed by tilling the soil and mixing in compost or well-rotted manure. Start your seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Plant them in small pots or seed trays and keep them in a warm, sunny spot. Once the seedlings are 6 to 8 inches tall and the danger of frost has passed, transplant them to your garden. Space them about 2 feet apart to give them room to grow. Water your tomato plants regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to disease. Mulch around your tomato plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Use stakes or cages to support the plants as they grow, keeping the fruits off the ground. Feed your tomato plants with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. This helps them produce more fruit and stay healthy. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Remove any affected leaves and consider using organic pest control methods if needed. Harvest your tomatoes when they're fully ripe and enjoy the delicious fresh taste. Regular picking encourages more fruit production. Growing your own tomatoes is easy and cost-effective. Plus, there's nothing like the taste of homegrown tomatoes. Give this method a try and see how much you can save. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!